Hi everyone! Today I wanted to talk to you about another method to do paper mache, the method with strips. The first one everyone knows about is the flour paste. That works very well indeed, but in some cases you may just want to do a quick job or something that I'm gonna do today. I have this branch and there will be more sort of growing out of her head, probably with some blossoms or leaves or something like that. And for this wire-based armature branch, I find that the flour paste doesn't work as well. It doesn't stick to the paper, the masking paper as well as glue. So I have this Mod Podge that I will use, just a direct method with a brush and some paper strips. I already have some here. I just used the regular, bag, craft paper based bag that I got somewhere at the store. It's a bit thick, but it still works very well. So I'm just gonna put her on this so that I have a better control of it. And regarding the paper strips, you want to make sure you don't go against the grain. Like, for instance, if I want to tear the paper, it just doesn't want to go very well, right? That's against the grain. So I try the other way, and that's much better, right? Here we go. Some nice, just very, very narrow as much as possible, because I will have to twist it around these branches. So I'm just gonna take a piece of paper, take my glue, and just brush the glue on both sides. Not too much, just enough to cover it. All right, and then I just start wherever I left off there and squeeze at the beginning to make sure it adheres very well. And just keep going, twisting it around, wrapping this whole branch here. And just another one to show you how it goes. Also, when you're short of time, this might work out for you, because it doesn't need as much drying time as the flour paste. Basically, in minutes, you have it done. And then you can go with another layer on, which I do often. This will probably have another layer or two because I want to make it really strong. So anyway, that's the idea. For a quick job, or when you have something really thin and narrow, like this branch that doesn't take the usual paste based strips as well. All right, I hope to see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you around.